Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are well and healthy at home. So dear student, I Juhi Singh welcome you all in a maths online class. Okay, take out your book, notebook, pencil, eraser and sharpener with yourself. So student, in a previous class I have taught you about one more than. Okay, now in this class I am going to teach you about one less than. Okay student, in this class I am going to teach you about one less than. Okay, one less than. So it is given in your book. Take out page number 16. Okay, it is mentioned there in your book, page number 16. Take out your book everyone, open the page number 16. Okay, open your book. Now see here how it is mentioned. Look at the picture given on the book. ये देखिए कैसे बुक में दिए हैं पिक्चर्स स्टूडेंट. लेस देन मीन्स एक वन नंबर जो होता है वो कम. ओके, वन एक नंबर कम. ठीक है, किसी भी नंबर से एक नंबर कम मीन्स अगर मैंने 9 लिया तो 1 लेस देन 8. अगर मैंने ये लिया 1 लेस देन 8 तो 1 लेस देन 8 क्या होगा बेटा? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी 7. ओके स्टूडेंट, द आंसर विल बी 7. 1 लेस देन. ओके, so like this you have to do the rest questions. So take out your notebook and open your notebook, mention today's date, okay, and write down the topic 1 less than. Okay, in your notebook and do as I am doing. जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ वैसे आप भी अपनी कॉपीज में करिए. ओके स्टूडेंट, so 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 less than 7 is what? 6. Okay, 1 less than 6 is what? 5. Yes, 1 less than 5 will be what? क्या होगा आप बताइए? 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5 क्या होगा? It will be 4. Okay student, now 1 less than 4 will be what? 3. Okay, and 1 less than 3 will be 2. Okay, 1 less than 2 will be what? 1 less than 2 क्या होगा? 1 less than 2 will be 1. Okay, will be 1. Okay student, and 1 less than 1 will be क्या होगा? 1 less than 1 is क्या होगा? 0. Good, it will be 0. Okay student, so write down this in your copy right now. Okay, do it fast. I hope you all have done this. Okay, and also you have to complete page number 16. Okay, पेज नंबर 16 को भी आपको अपनी बुक में करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट, now I am moving to the next page. Okay, do it. Now I am moving to the next page, that is page number 70. Okay, page number 70. Okay student, so here in this page, look at the whiteboard here. See, open this one. ये वाली पेज आप लोग निकालिए. Open this page. This one. So many pictures are given in this book. Okay. Count and write the number of eggs in each tray and match tray on the left with that having one egg less. ठीक है, आपको इसमें क्या करनी है, इसमें आपको काउंट करना है एग को. ट्रे में ये सारे ट्रेज हैं. ओके, इसमें आपको एग को क्या करना है, काउंट करना है. ठीक है, काउंट करना है. और उसके बाद इस साइड आपको क्या करनी है, जो वन लेस देन होंगे ट्रे एग जो होंगे उसमें इसको मैच करनी है. ओके, वेट, आई एम शोइंग यू विथ एग्जाम्पल. इफ देयर इज वन एग, टू एग, थ्री एग, फोर एग, फाइव एग. Here one egg, two egg, three egg, one egg, four. And here one egg, two egg. Okay, if suppose here it is 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, then 1. ये आपके ट्रे में है. ठीक है, ये सारे एग्स जो हैं वो किस में है, ट्रे में है. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आपको इसमें क्या करना है, ठीक है, ये सब ट्रे में है. और आपको इसमें करना है कि वन लेस देन, जिस ट्रे में ये नंबर, इसमें कितने नंबर्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 5, इसमें 5 है. ठीक है, और 1 2 3 4, हेयर इट इज 4, इसमें 1 2, हेयर इट इज 2. ओके, यहाँ पे 2 है. 1 2 3, यहाँ पे क्या है, 3. 1 2 3 4, यहाँ 4, हेयर 1. ओके, तो वन लेस देन जो नंबर होंगे इस नंबर से, उसमें आपको मैच करना है. वन लेस देन. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ सी, वन लेस देन 5 इज, वन लेस देन 5 इज 4, like this. Okay, one less than 4 is, one less than 4 is 3, and one less than 2 is, one less than 2 is 1. Okay, so like this you have to do page number 17. Okay, page number 17 में जो ये दिया हुआ है आपको इस टाइप पे करनी है. Okay student, got it? So look at the book. Now I am moving to the next question. Okay, on page number 17 one more questions is mentioned. Okay, one more question is there. Page number 17. Count and write the number of balls on the right. Draw balls but one less. Color the ball. Okay, and here fill in the boxes one less than. यहाँ पे आपको कितने बॉल्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 बॉल्स हैं, तो यू विल राइट हियर 5. ओके, फिर क्या करना है, राइट द नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स एंड ऑन द राइट ड्रॉ बॉल्स बट वन लेस. मीन्स आपके पास here see one ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 ball, 5 बॉल। तो यहाँ आपका बॉक्स बनाया है और आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 5 रिटर्न करनी है। ओके, एंड हेयर आपके नेक्स्ट में आपको क्या बोला है, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द बॉल्स बट वन लेस देन। ठीक है, आपको वन लेस बॉल इसमें ड्रॉ करके आपको कलर करनी है। ओके, सो वन लेस देन मीन्स 1 बॉल, 2 बॉल, 3 ball and 4 ball. So here you will write down 4. 1 less than 5 is 4. Okay, 1 less than 5 is 4. So like this you have to draw on page number 17. Okay, and also what you have to do here student, you have to color this ball. Okay, आपको इस ball को क्या करना है, कलर भी करनी है। ठीक है, so do it बेटा। And this also you do it in your copy. Okay, it is very simple, you can do with yourself, only you have to make the balls. Okay, so do it like this, you have to complete this one. Okay, now I am moving to the next question that is given, fill in the blank. Okay, that also you have to do in your copy. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks ये है। ठीक है, तो fill in the blanks में आपको क्या करना है, 1 less than। okay, fill in the blank, sorry, fill in the boxes is given there. Okay, fill in the boxes 1 less than। okay, 1 less than। ठीक है, so it is written like this, 7 is, their box is made, 2 is, 1 less than 2 is, 1 less than 5 is, 1 less than 9 is, okay, and again 1 less than 4 is, okay, 1 less than 1 is, okay, 1 less than 6 is, 1 less than 6 is what, and 1 less than 8 is what? Okay student, 1 less than 8 is what? So what you have to do here student, you have to write down 1 less than 7 is 6. Okay, 1 less than 7 is 6, 1 less than 2 is 1. Okay, 1 less than 2 is 1, 1 less than 5 is 4, 1 less than 9 is 8, 1 less than 4 is 3, and 1 less than 1 is 0, 1 less than 6 is what? 5, and 1 less than 8 is 7. Okay, so like this you have to complete this one in your copy. Okay student, in your copy. Okay, do it right now, do it in your copy. Okay student, then after completing this question, come to page number 8. Okay student, after completing this question you have to come to the page number 8. Okay, page number 18, sorry, 17 I am rubbing and I have written over there 18. Okay, after completing this, come to the page number 18. Okay, count and write the number of marbles. See here what it is written, count and write the number of marbles. Here so many marbles are there, okay, and what you have to do, you have to count the marbles, okay, and write down in this boxes. इस बॉक्स में आपको क्या करनी है, आपको राइट डाउन करना है, ओके. एंड हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, हियर when complete the ladder, okay, complete the ladder. Hope you all have done this, okay. So I am moving to the next question. I am moving to the next question, student, okay. Moving to the next question, complete the ladder, okay. Complete the ladder, okay. Complete the ladder is given in a descending order, you have to do, okay. See, like this ladder is made in your book, okay. ये ladder है, okay. Here it is written 9, 8. So after that, one less than or in decreasing order, you have to write down here, okay, in decreasing order. See, 9 is written, 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, and as it is, you have to write down the rest, okay, student. So you have to complete the ladder here. And again, one more question is there. See here, write in decreasing order the numerals, okay. Decreasing order means, student, decreasing order means आपको क्या करना है कि जो ज़्यादा होता है ज़्यादा से कम, ओके, और one less than, okay, one less than. See, in decreasing order अगर है decreasing order, okay, it is written from 4 to 1. 4 to 1 है, तो आप कैसे इसको करोगे, you will do like this, 4, okay, then 3, then 2, then 1, okay, like this you have to complete this. And again 9 to 6 is mentioned, so here you will write 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, okay, like this you have to complete this one, okay, student. And also what you have to do at home, I am giving you homework. Whatever I have mentioned in the whiteboard, you have to do in your copy, okay. And after that, what you will do, your homework will be what? Complete page number 16, 17 and 18, okay, in your book, okay, student. You have to complete these questions in your book. आपको ये questions कहाँ करनी है, you have to complete these questions in your book, okay. So okay, student, don't forget to wash your hand, eat healthy food, okay, stay healthy, stay safe.